Yes, ulit na magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga kasama po natin tonight. Ngayong gabing ito, of course, para po sa ating Mrs. Bisig 2024. Pwede po ba makarinig ko ng malakas na good vibes to everybody? Mahina yung palakpakan. Mas malakas ang palakpakan dito, guys! Pati naman ang hiyawan sa kabila! Yes, again and again, of course, welcome po sa inyong lahat para po sa barangay Sala Mrs. Bisig 2024. And celebrating this kind of prestigious pageant is one of the most beautiful miracles in life, one of the greatest joys we can ever know, and one of the reasons why there is a little extra sunshine, laughter, and happiness in our event today. Again and again, of course, gusto ko po magpakilala po sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng kasama po natin dito mismo sa barangay Sala. Once again, my name is Fabulous Friends. From its showtime, Miss Q&A Intergalactic Vaccine Show Chat, December 2018. I will be your host for this marvelous and fabulous beauty pageant. Okay. Again, magandang gabi po ulit sa lahat ng mga barangay officials po natin sa Barangay Sala Head. And kung ganyan, palakpakan at hiyaman lamang ang kanilang marinig. Ready na ba kayo, Barangay Sala? And to start our competition this night, we will proceed for the first category.